Hi guys, this is Lacey from Edmond, Oklahoma, and I'm here with Miss Marti. And so, Miss Marti, tell us your story.
Well, I'll be 75 next month, and my hair has gotten very thin on top. I've had a hair transplant. It helped a little, but that was a few years ago. And so rather than trying to constantly do the comb over to cover the bald spots, I decided to come into Georgia Hair Solutions and get a wig.
Okay. And she's been to our Georgia location, right?
Right. I bought my first synthetic in March, just a couple months ago. This one is closer. I live in Little Rock, or Jacksonville, actually, right outside of Little Rock, and that's a 9-hour drive to go to Jackson. It's only 5 hours to come here.
So a little closer.
So, yeah.
We're building your wig closet, huh?
Absolutely. So I already have a synthetic, and I love it, but I wanted to get a human hair one and try that.
I have Candy here, and this is a 12-inch.
It's a little too dark. I look very pale.
You need a little color.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe some highlights or lowlights or something.
Yeah. This is Ruby. And this is a 12-inch.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe too dark.
Too dark?
Maybe I need a little bit more highlight or some gold or red tones or something in it.
Okay. On to our next one. Okay, this one is Tiffany, and this is also a 12-inch. And tell us about your service in the military a little bit.
Oh, I served 21 and a half years in the Air Force, retired as a tech sergeant, married a newly commissioned lieutenant, followed him around for 8 years, got hired on civil service, and did 31 years civil service.
That's amazing.
So, yeah, it was fun. I love to travel. It was so much fun to go places. I've been to Korea, Germany, England. We did 7 countries when we were stationed in England. So it makes you appreciate the U.S. when you come back.
Yeah, well, I always tell all of my ladies that serve, or men, thank you for your service. So we appreciate everything that you do.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Okay, so what were your thoughts on Tiffany?
I like the blonde around or the little highlights around.
Piece.
Yeah. We talked about bangs. If it is going to need bangs, I've worn bangs my whole life and way too long, obviously. On me, I don't like it much shorter than here.
In your chin.
Yeah, and then coming toward my face.
Okay.
So I think this is it.
Okay. Well, we are going to get her cut and styled and get you all situated. And she did pick out some synthetic, so we're going to look at those as well. Okay, this one is Easy Does It. And she's just a cute little bob.
Yeah, this is more how I've always worn my hair. So
it is very fitting though on your face, I will say. So she's good. Definitely gonna get this one.
And then just for a touch of surprise.
Oh yes, big surprise here.
Well, right now I'm naturally gray, so.
This is curated cut too, and she is really cute and layered.
So as it gets grayer, hopefully I'll go this lovely shade of silver.
Yes, she's really pretty, but I mean, this looks good on you too.
I like the poof.
Okay, this is the final look for Miss Marti. Does she not just look fabulous? Oh my goodness, fabulous.
I love it. It feels so good. It fits well. I like the color. The bangs are amazing. So yeah, I'm excited.
Yes. Okay, so with all of the ladies kind of going through their own hair journey, what advice would you give them with their hair journey they're going through?
Do what makes you feel good. Like I said, I have really thin hair and I'm very self-conscious about it. And so having options for how you feel one day to the next is great. So some days I may wear this, other days I may wear the silver one, and other days I may wear the shorter one. It just depends on how you feel, but it gives you options. It's like doing your nails and putting on makeup. Whatever makes you feel good about yourself.
That's great advice. So, ladies, if you need anything, we are here to help you. Miss Marti not only got one, but she got 3 total. So, we have a question for you. Do you dig all of your wigs?
Oh, I dig all the wigs. And it's so easy. You just get up in the morning, put on your makeup, throw on your hair, and you're out the door. It's so easy to deal with. I love it. So
well,
I'll be back.
Thank you for coming to see us, Miss Marti.
You bet. Thanks much.